Who is this? Is this Nam or is it Jang? Right behind you? Who is right behind, standing right behind me? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Who is standing right behind me? I like the wallpaper in the room. Really? Who is this? Is this Nam or Jang? If this is not Nam or Jang, I will kick you in this room. I will kick you. I will remove you in this room if you are not Nam or Jang. Who is this? Is this Nam? Okay. Hello, Nam. I think it's Nam.
Hmm.
Is it Nam or Jang? I cannot see your face.
Oh, I don't know, teacher. You go in chat. You
Oh,
go
you
in
don't
chat.
know? Oh no.
You
Why
go in chat.
I don't want to go in chat. Why?
You want to? I want to you. I want you go in chat because I I don't I let you down scary.
I
You
let
go in, please.
I'm not scared. Why would I be scared? I love horror movies.
Okay.
Okay.
You go in. You go in. You go in chat.
I already read your chat.
You know.
Yeah,
Can you see?
I can see your chat. Do you think
Look at
it's
the
good?
corner of the scene. I like the word for you.
Okay. Do you think it's good to scare your teacher? Do you think it's good to scare your teacher? Yes or no? No, it's not. Okay, it's not good to scare your teacher. Okay, so hello, Jang. Good evening. And hello again, Nam. Good evening, good
Wait
evening.
down.
And welcome, welcome again to our class for
Teacher, wait
today.
down.
And there is Jang. I can see Jang.
Down. You go in chat. Bắp ơi, vào chat đi. Bắp, bắp ơi.
Okay, so how are you today? How are you both today?
I'm fine.
Are you fine? You're
Bắp
fine.
ơi, bắp.
Wow, that's good to
Teacher,
know.
wait down.
Oh, Jang is below you. I can see him.
I want to,
Okay.
I
How?
want to talking with down.
Huh? I want
I
you to
want to
talk.
talking with down.
Why?
Because, bắp ơi, bắp. Bắp
Huh?
ơi. Bắp ơi, cậu vào chat đi, tao bảo. Cậu vào chat
Who
đi.
is Viha Viha? Okay, so how are you today, Jang? How are you?
Behind is
Viha Viha? I think it's another teacher. I don't know her.
hey.
L- Look at Nam. Nam is scaring us. Look at his chat.
Hello.
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 Did Jang, I have a
It's a Hello
question.
Kitty. It's a most it's a Hello Kitty. It's a monster. I
Yeah.
really scared.
Oh, you are scared with Hello Kitty? Really?
Yeah. You go in. You go in. You go in Google. You chat Hello Kitty. Zero 11999.
Huh? Hello Kitty 1999
I go in chat. In a chat. Teacher in a chat.
in a chat?
Yes.
Oh, I know this one. I know about the Hello Kitty murder. I know that one.
Peter, with me.
Yeah, I know this one. But this is not connected with our lesson for today. So we will not talk about scary things, okay?
No, you go in Google, you type this.
No, because it is not connected to our lesson. How will you
Please,
learn?
one.
No, 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 no.
Please, teacher, next time we will see.
No,
Why?
because it is not connected in our lesson. Is it about kitchen?
No, you
No.
go, you see.
No, 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 no. We will not see that one. Okay?
Why?
Because it is not connected with our lesson. Why will we see something that is not?
Teacher, we will play
No.
bamboo. We not play bamboo, so we see it. This.
No.
Why?
I will
I want
I
to see this. I
I
don't
will
want to play bamboozle.
I will tell it to your mother that you are doing scary things in the class. Do you want me to tell it to your mother?
No.
Oh, okay. So we will not search about it, okay? Okay? It's not connected in our class. It's already night. We shouldn't be scared. We should learn. I'm not angry, okay? I just want you to learn.
Teacher, no. 2023.
2026?
2027.
It's 2027? It's too
Yes.
early. It's still June.
Teacher, have an idea.
What idea? What idea? What idea do you have? 6, 7?
No, 67.
No, 6, 7.
Right.
What's that? 6, 9? Huh? 6, 7, 6, 9. Okay, so now let's proceed to our new lesson for today, Nam and Jang. So if you, what's that? What's that?
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
What's that? What is that? Okay, so now let's proceed to our lesson. And if you don't listen to teacher, I will turn off your pen. I will turn off the chat. Okay?
Faster.
Hmm?
Faster.
Faster?
We have 15 minutes left.
15 minutes? It's too
Yeah.
early. It's too early. It's still 8:08 p.m. We still have 42 minutes. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay, so now listen to teacher because I have questions for you about this lesson, okay?
Okay.
And if you not answer, I will turn off your pen. Okay? Okay, let's take a look at the title of our lesson for today. So can you both?
This is kitchen.
Okay, very good. This kitchen. So do you know what the kitchen is?
The kitchen is a cooking.
Okay, very good. The kitchen is where we cook. How
No,
about
teacher,
Jang?
this is a dining room. It's not a kitchen.
Oh, we can have a dining room inside our kitchen. There are some houses. There are some houses.
I have 5 families, but the dining room has 6 chairs.
Oh, really? Your
Yes.
dining room has 6 chairs. Wow, that's a lot. So again, so Nam, so most of the houses, their dining room and their kitchen is only in one room. So that's why we can see here there is a table and there are chairs and banana.
And
Yes.
banana. And
Okay.
chicken banana. Chicken banana.
Chicken. Okay, so this again, the kitchen is where we cook, where we do things, where we can see food. Yes?
I don't know this. I don't know this.
What is that? I cannot see it also. Let me zoom.
Teacher.
Oh, it's a grater. Cheese grater. We call it as cheese grater.
Teacher, I can see the washing machine.
Washing machine? Ah,
No.
in the
Yes.
no, it's not a washing machine. We don't have a
What?
wash. It's not a washing machine. We don't have a washing machine in the kitchen. Okay, so we will learn about that or what is that. Okay, but first, okay, let's now start our lesson. So we will not watch the warm-up video because I know you don't like to watch it. Okay, so now
I want to wash.
you want to watch? Really?
Yes.
Okay, let's check how to. It's a song. Oh, you want to
No,
watch?
it's Meme. It's Meme.
It's Mimi?
Yes.
And a wooden spoon. Tap, 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 a little cooking tune.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to listen this song.
Oh, you don't want to listen to this song. Okay, let's go back to our lesson.
It's really spooky.
It's very spooky. Your name is the one who is spooky.
My name
Okay.
is. Lisa,
Okay.
what is my name?
I don't know your name.
Behind you.
Okay, now let's go back to our lesson. Let's have the first picture.
You see behind you. You see behind you.
Oh, what's behind me? Oh,
I can see the rock in
oh in I'm not.
behind the room.
You cannot scare me. My favorite movies are horror.
Tita, Hello Kitty is really spooky.
I don't care about Hello
Kitty.
Kitty.
One nine. Hello Kitty. Year 1999. It's
Oh, is it connected with our lesson, Nam?
It's really spooky.
Yeah, is it connected with our lesson?
It's 7.
6, 7. No, you're not. Okay, let's go back to our lesson. Do you want to listen to our lesson today?
Yes.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start the lesson. So again, let's take a look at this picture, Nam and Chang. So do you know what is this that we can see in our kitchen? Do you know this one?
No.
No. But do you see this in your kitchen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, this is what we use to cook. So we call it as stove.
So.
Okay, very good. This is a stove. Next, let's go to our next picture. Very, very good. It is a fridge. And what?
Is a stove?
What?
It's a stove?
This one, the first picture is a stove. This one. This is where we cook our food using
Tita, what is?
what? This one?
What is? What the new picture?
This one is a fridge. Jang know it. It's a fridge. So this is where we keep our food fresh. Like this, we can see there are a lot of foods, there are a lot of drinks. Do you have a fridge in your house or in your kitchen?
Yes.
Yes, okay, that's nice. How about this one?
I don't know.
You don't know this one?
Yes.
So we call it as sink. This one is a sink. This one, sink. This part of the kitchen is the sink. We call it as kitchen sink, or we can just call it as sink. Okay, again, Nam and Jang, what is this?
It is I don't know.
Sink. Okay, one more time. Sink.
Sink. Thing.
This. How about this? What is this?
Stove.
Stove. Next
It's
is?
a what this?
Okay,
Wait.
wait.
More feature.
Wait.
Phrase.
Okay,
Phrase.
wait. Let's first review. Let's first review the three things that we have in kitchen.
Sink.
How about
Fridge.
this? Fridge. Again, this is?
Sink.
Sink. Okay, this one, we call this one as toaster.
Toaster.
Okay, let's look at this. Do you know what is this?
Yes. Yes.
What do we
It's like
Peng, what do we call this food? We call this as the food. This one, the food that is in the
bread.
toaster. Bread. Very good. This is
And onion can eat.
yes. So this is where we put our bread if we want to toast it. If you want it to be crunchy. So this is where we toast our bread. Next, how about this one? What do we call this?
It is a kitchen.
It is a kitchen, yes. This is what we can see in the kitchen. But what specifically is this in the kitchen?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, it's okay. So we call it as counter. This is the counter. Yes, a kitchen counter. Okay, so again, let's review the two things that we can see in the kitchen. What is this?
Toaster.
Toaster. How about this one?
Counter.
Counter. Very good. Next, let's proceed to the next thing that we can see. What is this?
Cookie.
Cookies. What do we call the thing that we use to put cookies in?
I don't know.
You don't know. We call it as cookie jar. So we can see it. We can usually
Poop jar. Yeah.
poop jar. It looks like a poop because it's color brown. But this one is a cookie jar. Next, let's proceed in our next one. What do we call this one?
It's a rice bin.
Trash bin, or we can call it as trash can. So both names are correct, but we mostly call this one as trash can or trash bin. So those are correct. Next, how about this next picture? What do we call this? Oh, you don't know? We call it as cupboard. Cupboard. Very good. This is where we put our kitchen utensils, our plates, our mugs, our utensils. Okay, so now let's learn more about of these things that we can see in our kitchen. Let's go first. So this one, Nam, this one is what you see, the washing machine?
No.
Yeah. Yes,
It's
it
not.
is. It's not a washing machine. So this
It looks
is,
like a washing machine.
yeah, it looks like a washing machine because it's also color white. And this one looks like washing machine. Yeah, this is a stove, this one. This one below it, it's I think it is where we can bake. It is where we can bake pastries or cookies or bread. This one is where we cook our food with heat. So if we open the stove, so it has a fire here. So that is where we cook our food. Okay, so Nam and Chang, have you already tried using your stove before? Have you already tried? No?
Yes.
Have you tried using your stove before? Or have you tried cooking? What did you cook in your stove? What did you cook in your stove? Did you help
Fries.
cook rice?
French fries.
Oh, French fries. Wow, that's very delicious. Is your
Soup.
favorite
Hot
soup
dog.
and
Hot dog.
hot dog? Wow. Wow, that's so
Pizza.
delicious. Yes,
Soup.
soup. Yes, soup. We can also cook
And
soup
teacher.
in the stove.
And
And and what are the other things that we can cook? And okay. Do you help your mother or do you help your mommy cook?
no.
Oh
Yes.
no.
No, I can cook.
Oh, you can
Yes.
cook. Oh, you help your mother?
Teacher.
Jack?
My father and my sister can cook.
Your father and your sister can cook?
And my
Wow. Is it your older sister?
teacher, yes. The name is Lucky.
Lucky?
Is 16 year old.
Oh, 16. Your sister is 16 years old only?
Yes.
Oh, and she can cook? Wow. She can cook early. Wow, that's so nice to know that your sister or older sister can cook. Okay, so good job. So again, a stove is what we use to cook our food. So next, let's move on to our next thing that we can see in the kitchen. Sink. Very good. Now, do you have a sink in your house?
Yes.
Yes. What do you do with your sink? Do you wash your hands in your sink?
No.
No.
In the bathroom. In the bathroom.
Oh,
Yes,
it's
I do. And
yes, I do. Yeah.
I have two sinks.
Oh, you have two sinks, one in the bathroom and one in the kitchen?
In the garden.
Huh? In the?
Garden.
Oh, in the garden. One in the kitchen and one in the garden? Really? Oh, wow. How about you, Jang? How many sinks do you have in your house? How many sinks do you have? Nam. Nam, nam, nam. How many sinks? Nam, nam, nam.
The
Yes.
sink is in bathroom have a sink.
Yes, in bathroom you have a sink. How about in kitchen? Don't you have
In kitchen I have two.
Oh, you have two sinks in your kitchen. Wow. So you have three sinks. Is that correct? You have three sinks? That's so nice. Okay. So again, when we say sink, it is a place usually with water, and this is where we wash our hands or dishes. Okay. So that is what we can do using the sink. Next, let's go back or let's go to our next thing that we can see in the kitchen. What is this?
Fridge.
Fridge. Very good. This is fridge. Now, do you have a fridge in your house?
Yes.
Yes. And what food do you see or do you usually see in your fridge? What food do you usually see in your fridge?
I give ice cream.
You have ice cream in your fridge. Wow.
Yeah.
Huh? Wow, that's so nice. How about what do you call that? How about
Meat.
meat? Yes, meat. How about vegetables?
Oh, I have two.
You have vegetables
and milk.
also.
Milk.
Milk, yes. That is where we store milk, vegetables, meat, chicken, And also ice cream because fridge, it is a cold box.
Teacher, I
Yes.
want to play bamboozle.
Oh, later. Are we finished? Are we finished? Why are you always in a
cold
rush?
box that keeps fruit fresh.
Yes, it is a cold box that keeps food fresh. So again, so we will first finish these words that we have before we play bamboozle, okay? Okay? Hello.
What?
We will first finish the words that we have here before we play bamboozle.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so again, a cold box, fridge is a cold box that keeps food fresh. Okay, so that's it. So this is where we store our food that we needed to store for a few days or for many, many days so that we can eat it and we can cook it after. So next, again, what is this, Nam and Jang?
This is a cupboard.
Cupboard. Very good. It is a cupboard. So when we say cupboard, it is a box with doors, and it is where we keep our plates, cups, or food. So aside from fridge, we can also store food in the cupboards. But make sure those food are the food that doesn't spoil. Because if you put it in the cupboard, if you put meat in the cupboard, it will get spoiled.
And
That's why,
play and bowl.
yes, that's why you cannot eat it. So you can only put like chips in the cupboard.
we eat free.
Yes, so you can only put foods like chips in the cupboard, chocolates. Oh, actually, chocolates we should put it in a fridge. So those food that doesn't get spoiled easily. This is cupboard. So again, what can we store in a cupboard? Nam and Jang, what can we store in a cupboard? We can store. What can we store?
Teacher, what store?
Store. When we say store, it is where we put something.
We put a place, a cup,
Yes, a cup and
um
also
a
food.
fork. A
Food.
fork.
Fork?
Fork.
Yes, fork. We can also store fork or
A
spoon.
spoon. Knife. Knife.
Yes. Knife, yes. We can also store knives in our cupboard. So that's it. Very good. Next, let's proceed to our next thing that we can see in the kitchen. What is this? Oh, before proceeding in this one,
Teacher, what is this?
counter. We call it as
Teacher, what
counter.
is this?
What?
What is this?
Where?
This.
What is that? I cannot see. What is that?
Do you know?
No.
In kitchen.
Kitchen?
Teacher, okay.
In kitchen? No.
Yes. Teacher, the parties.
This one? Huh?
Oh. This. This.
What? This one? This?
No.
Where?
You go in kitchen.
Kitchen. This is the kitchen. Oh, this one? Where?
Teacher, do you
Yes.
know I draw?
I don't know.
Can you see I draw?
I can see this one.
Yes.
I can see, but I don't know that. What is that? What's that?
Wait me.
Okay, sure, but please make it fast because we still have few more slides.
Teacher, I want the bamboo.
Okay, wait first.
We eat.
We eat?
Yes.
You will eat right now?
No.
Oh, why do you say that you will eat?
This.
What is that? I cannot understand what you are drawing. What's that?
We eat. We have this.
Where? This
We
one?
have this for it. Yes.
Chopsticks?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. But I don't
This is
use
not smart.
I don't use chopsticks because it's so hard to use. I only use spoon and fork. Chopstick is very
You is not
huh?
smart. You is
Huh?
not smart. You are not smart.
They are not smart?
You are not smart.
Why? Why am I not smart?
Because I have a question with you can you don't have you don't know this question.
Oh, this question. What question? What is your question? You asked me if I know how to use chopstick, but I don't know how because we usually use spoon and fork here in the Philippines. We are not Japanese or we are not Koreans for us to use chopsticks. And also, when we are eating, we use our hands. We don't use spoon and fork. We also not use chopstick. Okay, so now let's stop this drawing because you are not listening. No, no, no. Okay, so again, before we proceed to the next picture, do you have a cupboard in your house or in your kitchen?
Yes.
How many cupboards do you have?
I have a couple.
You have a cupboard. How many? Do you have many
One.
cupboards? Oh,
Oh
only
yes,
one?
I have many.
Many cupboards. And what do you store or what do you put in your cupboard in
I
your kitchen? I put
uh I put
what do you put? Do you also put plates? Do you also put food in your cupboard?
a spoon.
Spoon. Mm. How about do you put your toys in your cupboard?
No.
No. But oh, actually we only put toys in our cabinet. Okay. So this one, let's go to our next thing that we can see in the
This
kitchen.
counter.
Counter, very good. Do you have a kitchen counter in your kitchen?
Yeah.
Yes. What color is your counter? What color is your counter?
White. White.
Oh, color white. How about Nam? What color is your counter? Nam. What color? What color is your counter?
It's brown.
Oh, it's your your counter in your house at your kitchen?
No, it's black.
Oh, it's black. Wow. So again, so in the kitchen counter, we can see the sink here. Usually we can see the sink in the counter or on the counter, and we can also see cupboards above the kitchen counter. Because in the kitchen counter, it is a flat table in the kitchen where we put things, especially if you are cooking or if you want to cook in the future. So you will put all of the things that you need to for cooking in the kitchen counter. So next, Nam and Jang, what is this?
This toaster.
Toaster. Very good. This is a toaster. So when we say toaster, it is what we use, or it is a small machine that makes bread hot and crispy. So we will just put the bread inside the toaster, and if the bread is already toasted, so it will go up like this. And do you have a bread toaster in your house, Nam and Jang?
Yes.
Hmm,
No.
really? You have a bread toaster?
Yeah. No, I
Oh, you
don't
don't
have.
have. How about Nam? You have a bread toaster in your house?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And do you like to toast your bread?
No.
Oh, you don't like to toast your bread? Oh, I like to toast my bread. Okay, so again, this is the bread toaster. It is a small machine that makes bread hot and crispy. So if you don't want a soft bread, so you will just put it in the bread toaster. After that, it will become toasted and it will become hot. So you don't need a microwave for this one. So next, let's proceed to our next one. So what is this?
Pizza.
It's
The
a cookie
cookie jar.
jar. Very good. Do you have a jar in your kitchen?
No.
No, you don't have a jar. Okay, so usually we see this jar, especially for those people or for those mommies that wants to bake. So if you want to bake something, you put it in the jar. So this is a cookie jar. Do you like cookies, Nam and Jang? Do you like cookies? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Really, you like cookies? Really,
No.
really? I also like cookies because they are very delicious. Does your mom or mommy knows how to bake? Does your mommy knows how to bake? Nam and Jang. Does your mommy knows how to bake? Or does your mother knows how to bake? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay, that's good to know. Because bread or pastries are very delicious. And since you tell that your mommy or mother knows how to bake, it's good that you can have a bread at your home. So next, how about this one? What is this?
This is trash can.
Trash can. Very
Trash can.
good. Do you know, Nam and Jang, what a trash can is?
Yeah, I have four. I have four.
You have 4 trash cans in your house?
Yes.
Wow, that's a lot.
Because
Do you know what do we use trash cans for?
four.
Why do we have trash cans in our house?
With this can, with this can, um, can
Why do we
can
can?
don't have the can don't have water
The can don't have water? Huh? The can don't have water?
in.
The can, we put water on the can?
No, we put the can in the trash can.
Oh, we put the can in the trash can. Oh,
Yeah.
do you mean that we put trash in the trash can?
It
Okay, so basically, so we use trash can because it is where we throw our garbage, especially our trash. Like, for example, papers that we don't use, like what Nam said, can. So cans that we do not use, bottles. So we
bamboo.
later, wait, we're still not finished. Okay, so this is the use of the trash can. So we use it to throw the garbages or the things that we don't use anymore, especially in the kitchen. So cook something, if we cook something, so there are, yes,
What it is?
what it is, what what it is,
What's the sound?
the
What's the
sound,
sound? Yes.
what sound?
I don't know.
I cannot hear any sound. What is that? Okay, so again, trash can. This is the trash can. Okay, next, let's proceed. Okay, so before we play bamboozle, let's first answer this one. But first, let's read the words that we have. Let's read. Toaster,
Toaster, cupboard, cookie jar, fridge, sink, trash can, counter.
okay, very good. Can you read this?
So,
Can you read this
my
again?
bird have two cupboard. Fridge.
Fridge. One more time, let's say fridge.
Fridge.
Okay, very good. Fridge.
Fridge.
Okay, we will edit the cupboard because stove is not here. Let me just edit the cupboard. So the other one is stove. Okay, so now let's answer. First picture.
Teacher, in my này được số cũng biết số my pencil teacher
Huh?
and my pencil.
Pencil. Oh, okay. Pencil. Okay, now answer. Okay, let's answer first. Use your pencils to circle and match the line into the picture. Okay. Tell teacher if you're finished, okay?
Okay rồi. Okay.
Finish? Are you finished? Okay, how about Nam? Nam.
Teacher,
Why?
teacher, I finished.
Nam is, Jang is finished. What are you doing, Nam? Match, draw a line to the words in the picture. What are you doing?
Teacher.
Hmm.
Cái này vào đây. Còn cái này. Đó. Teacher, I want to play bamboozle.
Wait, Nam is still not finished. Nam, are you finished?
Teacher, in 40 minutes. In 40 minutes.
Yeah, I know. Nam, are you finished? Nam, are you finished? Nam, Nam, Nam. Nam, are you finished? Hello. Are you finished, Nam?
Yeah.
Okay, let's review your answers. What is this, Nam and Jang?
Cookie jar.
Cookie jar. Next. So let's check first. Okay, both of your answers are correct. Next, how about this one?
Is a can. Trash can.
Trash can. Very good. So your answers are correct. Next. What is our...
Is fridge.
Okay, fridge. And next one is
A sink.
sink. Okay. Oh no. Nam's
Oh.
Nam answer is it correct. Oh no. Is this the sink?
It's my brother.
Why your brother answered yours? The why your brother answered yours, not you? Is your brother studying with us? No. Okay, again, this is sink. Next. How about
Teacher,
this one?
it is a counter.
Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. So this one, Nam answers stove. Is this the stove?
No.
Oh no, what is this, Nam? What is this?
It's a counter.
Counter. And the next one, what is this?
Teacher,
This one is the stove. Next one is
it is a cupboard.
cupboard. And the last one is?
It is a toaster.
Okay, so now let's play. Let's play bamboozle.
Yay! Teacher, we will see Hello Kitty.
Huh?
We will see Hello Kitty.
Why Hello Kitty? Is it connected with our lesson, Nam? Is it connected with our lesson?
No.
Oh, why do we need to see Hello Kitty?
Teacher, play bamboozle.
Yeah, we will play. Wait, let me just open.
Okay, teacher.
Oh, it's not your name here. It's my other class.
Okay. Teacher, speed.
Wait, no. Why does it spin? Wheel. Wait, sit down only. Huh?
Teacher, what it is?
And what it is? We will look who will comes first or who will go first.
Teacher,
And last lastly,
classic jar. Quiz.
again, let's say junior, classic junior, not dra. Junior.
Journal.
Oh, Namkan is the first one. Okay, so what shall we? Namkan. Namkan is the first. Oh, Classic Junior.
Classic.
A classic.
Quiz.
It's classic. Okay, before we start the bamboozle, can you can
And my name. And my name.
yes, can you chat your name in the chat box before we start the bamboozle? Can you chat your name?
Rolando Jr.
Rolando Jr.?
Yeah.
Ronaldo? Not Rolando, Ronaldo.
Leonardo Jr.
Okay, and for Jang, what is your name, Jang? Cortis?
Yes.
Okay. Who is Cortis? Okay. Okay, so first, Nam.
Number
Number-
six. Gọi là cô Tít.
Oh, you
it's
said-
a trash can.
Trash can. Okay. Very good. Next.
Number two.
Wow.
Yay! Number one.
Number one.
It's a
It's a. Oh no, no coaching. Oh no, you're not listening. You don't remember this one? Oops.
yes.
Oh no. Okay, so this is toaster. Oh
Oh.
no, you know this one. So make sure next class you will listen, okay? So that you can be able to answer.
Number three.
Number 3, what is that?
It is a sink.
Sink. Very good.
Yay! I have 25.
Number
Six.
6. Oh, what is that?
Door.
It's a?
Door.
Okay, very good. Stove. Again, let's say stove.
Number seven.
No coaching. I can see.
Seven.
Number 7.
Is quarter.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Quarter?
Yes.
Again. Try again. How do you read the word?
I don't know. Quarter.
Oh no.
Teacher.
I can see that you are not listening because you don't know the exact word.
I can.
It's how do we
Quarter.
is it coaster?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. And we call it as counter. Again.
Oops.
Yeah, it's oops. Wait. Let's learn first. Counter.
Counter.
Okay, very good. So make sure next time, Nam and Jang, you listen. You listen before you ask to play bamboozle. Because you are always in a rush. You want to play, but you still don't know.
Okay.
Make sure to listen, okay? Next,
5.
number 5. What is this?
It's
You're not listening. You don't know. You always want to play bamboozle, but you are not listening. How will you able to answer? Oh no. Starts with letter C. Starts with letter C.
What next letter?
Huh?
What next letter?
No, I will not have another clue because that's your consequences for not listening to teacher. You always want to play, but you don't listen.
Not water.
Okay, again, this one is, oops now.
Yes.
This one is cupboard. Oh no, you're not listening. That's why you cannot
It's
answer.
super easy.
Super easy, but you don't know counter?
Number four.
Uh,
Is
uh,
is cookie dough.
okay, very good. Next
Number
one.
9.
Number 9.
Yes.
This is easy.
It's a fridge.
Okay, very good. It's a fridge. Last
Number
number. Oh no.
no.
Other team loses 25 points. So, what? 15, only 15 points. No. 20 points. Oh no. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So make sure next time, Nam and Jang, you will listen to teacher, okay? Especially the words that we have, because when we play bamboozle, it is the answers. So
Okay.
you don't
Bye,
you
bye,
don't
teacher. Bye,
oh
bye, teacher.
we're still not finished. We will play another game. But I think
I, I question.
we will spin the wheel, spin the wheel.
Teacher, my team. And my team is.
What's your team? Oh, it's Nam again. It's now again.
Yeah.
It's now again. Classic Junior. Okay, Classic.
Teacher, wait.
Yes.
We spin again.
Why? Why?
Teacher.
Why spin? You don't want to. You.
But to play quiz.
Oh no, We will not spin again. We don't have time. Okay,
Teacher,
let's
my team is Baby Monster.
baby monster.
Teacher, yes.
8. Okay, Classic Junior. Is your
Junior.
team Ronaldo? Ronaldo
My
Junior?
team is Baby Monster.
Okay, baby monster. Nam,
Yay.
Nam, is your team Ronaldo Junior? Still your Ronaldo?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher, my team is Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty. Okay.
Do you are a good or now? No.
Okay. Just number. You're a girl now. Number. Nam? Number.
Number 8.
Number 8. What is this?
Oh my god.
I will give you choices here because we do not study this one. So you need some choices. Wait. So our choices is too late.
Or no. No. Teacher,
What is it?
faster. Teacher, you finish?
Huh?
Teacher, I 1 minute left. Bow.
Okay, bow. Yes, 1 minute left. Next.
Number 4.
Number 4. What's this? Oh, they're
It's
very easy.
a fridge.
Okay. Next.
Number 1.
Oh no. Oh no. What is that?
Number 2.
Oh, what are these? Oh, so
A ball.
bowl? Bowl only?
Yes.
How many? How many can you see?
These are 3 balls.
Okay. Okay.
Teacher, Jang don't have S.
Oh, he said S. 3 bowls. He said 3
Number 3.
bowls.
3.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 7.
Oh,
These
very.
are spoons. These are spoons.
Okay.
Number 5.
Oh, what's
It's
this?
a spoon.
Are you sure?
Oh, I see a spoon.
Yes, very good.
Number 6 is for me.
Oh,
It
number
is
6. Oh, I will give you
I
some. You oops. You
teacher.
oops now. Oops now.
No.
Okay, I will okay, yes. So since we don't have time, we will oops. So we call it a steamer. So we can
Steamer.
also see it in the
No.
kitchen.
Yeah,
Oh no.
I have to win.
Okay, it's okay. You both are good students for teacher. Just make sure next time you will listen, okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so
Bye bye.
much.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.